What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Jalil. I'm a real estate investor and a licensed real estate agent out of the state of New York. And in today's video, I want to talk about your real estate team. So I just finished my book, How to Buy Real Estate, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide. And in that book, I have a section called Your Real Estate Team. And I want to touch on that a bit because I realize a lot of people don't necessarily know where to start or who's going to help them buy a home. So hopefully I could make this video to give you a little bit more information on it. Now, on your real estate team, there's a few people that you need to have. Number one, obviously you're going to be on that team and you're going to be leading point. You're going to be telling everyone else what they should do, and it's going to be more of a collaboration effort, right? You're going to bring everyone together. But the other people that is really important is, number one, your lender. This is the person who's going to help you with the financing. They're going to tell you how much house you can afford and how many taxes and how much insurance you can afford to purchase the property and what type of unit 1, 2, 3, or 4. They're going to give you the financing, the structure as far as what your down payment is going to cost and how much your closing cost is going to be. You need a lender. Number two, your real estate agent. This is the person who's going to work with your lender or work with the pre-approval that your lender gave you to determine where you can buy, what type of house you could buy, and they're going to really educate you on the home buying process. Now, if you don't have a lender, chances are your real estate agent has worked with lenders if they're experienced and they can refer a lender to you. The real estate agent is very, very, very important, and obviously I'm biased because I'm an agent, but the real estate agent has done this so many times that they've seen and they've had a ton of experience in this home buying process where they can guide you along based on your needs. I always say, depending on what you're looking for is what you should look for in a real estate agent. So if you're looking to purchase multifamily, you should look for a real estate agent that has done those transactions quite a few times, or they own multifamily properties. That way they can best assist you based on their personal experiences, not just like trying to figure it out as they go along. All right, next, number three, you need a real estate attorney. You need someone to protect your money in case things go wrong. When you're signing a contract, there's a lot that you have on the line. Number one, your down payment. You don't want to lose $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 because of some simple error. You want to make sure that that financing clause is in there and that at the worst case scenario, you're able to back out of the deal and keep your deposit as well. You want to walk away with that deposit if things were to go wrong. Real estate attorney is extremely important. Number four, you're going to need a home inspector. Now, I know in 2021, when the market was going crazy, people were waiving inspections left and right. They were waiving appraisals left and right. I don't advise that. Depending on the market and depending on how savvy your real estate agent is, you could waive an appraisal, especially if you know, generally speaking, where it should land. But as far as waiving a home inspection, I absolutely never advise any of my clients to do that. That is a risk that you should never take on. You are buying a large asset, probably the most expensive purchase of your life. And the idea of waiving an inspection to get the house to then have major problems in the future, just the thought of it doesn't make any sense. And you have to think about, why would you want to waive an inspection? It doesn't take long. The inspection takes 1 to 2 hours, maybe tops, and the inspection gives you information on the house. Why does a seller want you to waive an inspection? I think that's almost criminal. You're risking foundation issues, which could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars depending on how bad it is. You're risking missing out on roofing issues, which could cost you $10,000 to $30,000 depending on how large the house is. Is the house flooding? How has the house settled over the years? How old is the boiler? Major things. I understand not looking at the kitchen and cosmetic repairs, but I would never advise waiving their home inspection, so they are super important to have on your team. There's some other plays as well that you should consider, but those are the main four that I would recommend. Your real estate attorney, your home inspector, your real estate agent, and of course the lender to give you the financing to purchase the property. If you're interested in the book, I'll link it in the description below. It goes over everything from A to Z pretty much. Obviously what we discussed today with your real estate team, it goes over looking for a property, it goes over analyzing a deal, it goes over what to expect during closing, what to look for during inspection, it goes over interest rates, it goes over types of finance and first-time home buyer programs. There's so much it goes over. It really gives you a good picture of what to do when you first start to how you finish. I'll link that in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.